Pet insurance versus multi-pet versus breed-specific versus routine versus accident. Which one is better for households with multiple pets? If you have more than one pet, you know how quickly veterinary costs can add up. Most people assume a single policy will cover everything, but the surprising truth is that the type of insurance you choose can significantly impact both protection and cost for households with multiple animals. Accident-only insurance is the most basic type. It covers injuries from accidents like falls, bites, or traffic incidents. It's affordable and useful for young, healthy pets, but it won't help if your pets fall ill or develop chronic conditions. For multi-pet households, this coverage alone is often insufficient. Breed-specific insurance caters to certain breeds prone to genetic conditions like hip dysplasia in Labradors or heart problems in Cavalier King Charles Spaniels. While more expensive, it ensures coverage for conditions that may be excluded from general policies. This can save thousands in long-term vet bills if your pets are high-risk breeds. Routine or wellness cover handles everyday care like vaccinations, dental checkups, flea and worm treatments. It's ideal for preventive health, but doesn't pay for emergencies or serious illnesses. In multi-pet households, this can be cost-effective when combined with accident or illness cover. Multi-pet insurance allows you to insure multiple animals under a single policy, often with discounts. This simplifies administration and reduces costs, making it easier to manage coverage for a busy household. So, which is best for households with multiple pets? A combination works best: multi-pet insurance to cover all your animals, accident and illness cover for emergencies, and routine cover for preventive care. Breed-specific add-ons are worth considering if any pets have known genetic risks. Caring for multiple pets is rewarding, but it comes with financial responsibility. The right insurance ensures that every member of your furry family gets the care they need without breaking the bank.